Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log in without your password on your Taimi app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I have already installed Taimi app from my Play Store. You can also get to an App Store or Play Store and then tap on it. You are onto the very first section where I'm being welcomed back because I do already have an account. So I'm going to tap on the sign in option on the top right corner of the list. Now I have an option of logging in without password on the top right corner of the list. Tap on it. Now I can enter my email that I used for creating this account and tap on send option below. Just by doing it, I am given a recovery later on my own email address. I can simply tap on open mail app on the very bottom. You can see, tap on it. This will take you to your own email address. And on the top, you can see you have an option of password reset for your account. Tap on it. Alright, so you have a notification from the Taimi app itself. Now you can tap on go to Taimi. And you can continue with either your own app or simply by Chrome. I'm going to choose Taimi app itself. And just by tapping on it, you can see that you are logged into your own account. Now you can simply tap on this crush bar and tap on no lose free trial because I don't want any free trial now. And yes, you are on to your home section of your Taimi account itself. So this is how you do it. This is also a tutorial for recovering your own Taimi account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.